Do you dread the financial headache that often comes with international travel? The confusing exchange rates, the sneaky foreign transaction fees, the constant worry about overspending, or worse, losing your card in a foreign land. What if I told you there's a banking solution that not only tackles these issues head-on but actually enhances your entire travel experience? A solution that puts you in control, provides real-time insights, and offers peace of mind, no matter where your wanderlust takes you. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Monzo and uncovering its absolute best features for travel. Forget everything you think you know about traditional banking abroad, because Monzo is a game-changer, designed for the modern-day explorer. From the moment you start planning your trip to the second you touch back down on home soil, Monzo has a suite of clever tools and benefits that will make your financial life simpler, safer, and ultimately, more enjoyable on the road. Let's be honest, travel is about discovery, adventure, and making unforgettable memories, not stressing over your bank balance. Traditional banks, with their often archaic systems and hidden charges, can turn what should be an exciting journey into a budgeting nightmare. You're constantly checking conversion rates, trying to calculate how much that delicious street food actually cost in your home currency, and wincing at the thought of ATM fees eating into your travel budget. This is where Monzo truly shines. It's built from the ground up to be a mobile-first bank, which means its features are intuitively designed for on-the-go living, especially when you're in a foreign country. So, let's jump straight into the top Monzo features that make it an indispensable travel companion. First up, and arguably the most impactful feature for any globetrotter, is fee-free spending abroad with the MasterCard exchange rate. This is a huge one. When you use your Monzo card to pay for something in a foreign currency, Monzo uses the MasterCard wholesale exchange rate. This is essentially the interbank rate, the best possible rate available, with absolutely no markup from Monzo. Most traditional banks, on the other hand, will add their own percentage on top of the exchange rate, often a foreign transaction fee of 1% to 3% on every single purchase. Think about that for a second. If you're spending a few £1,000s on a trip, those small percentages add up to a significant amount of wasted money. With Monzo, you get the real rate, every time. This means more money in your pocket for experiences, souvenirs, or that extra gelato. You can literally use your Monzo card just like you would at home, without the constant worry of hidden fees eroding your travel funds. It's transparent, it's fair, and it's incredibly empowering. Closely related to spending is the second incredible feature, real-time spending notifications and instant exchange rate display. Imagine this, you buy a coffee in Rome for €2.50. Before you've even put your card back in your wallet, your phone buzzes. A notification pops up showing you that you've spent €2.50, and immediately below it, it tells you the exact equivalent in your home currency, say, £2.15. This isn't just a convenience, it's a powerful budgeting tool. You see exactly what you're spending in real time, converted to your own currency, eliminating any guesswork. This immediate feedback helps you stay on track with your budget, especially when you're dealing with an unfamiliar currency. No more coming home to a shocking bank statement. You know exactly where you stand, every single moment of your trip. It gives you an incredible sense of financial awareness and control, allowing you to make informed decisions about your spending as you go. Our third standout feature is fee-free ATM withdrawals, with limits. While Monzo encourages card payments for their convenience and security, sometimes you just need cash, especially in countries where cash is king. Monzo offers fee-free ATM withdrawals up to a certain limit. If Monzo is your main bank account, you get unlimited fee-free withdrawals within the European Economic Area, EEA. Outside the EEA, a free Monzo account typically offers £200 in fee-free withdrawals every 30 days, with a 3% charge on anything above that. If you upgrade to a paid plan like Monzo Plus, Premium, or Max, these limits increase significantly, with Monzo Premium/Max offering up to £600 fee-free withdrawals every 30 days outside the EEA. This tiered system means you can choose the plan that best suits your travel frequency and cash needs. While it's always wise to minimize cash withdrawals to avoid potential local ATM fees, Monzo's allowance is a huge relief when you find yourself needing physical currency. Next up, let's talk about pots for budgeting and saving. This is a feature that truly transforms how you manage your travel money. Within the Monzo app, you can create separate pots to segregate your funds for different purposes. Before your trip, you can create a flights pot, a accommodation pot, a food and drink pot, or even a souvenirs pot. You can then easily move money into these pots from your main balance. This visually organizes your finances and prevents you from accidentally overspending on one category and leaving yourself short for another. You can even set savings goals for each pot, and Monzo will help you track your progress. For travel, this is invaluable. It's like having multiple digital envelopes for your holiday budget, ensuring you allocate funds wisely and don't accidentally dip into your accommodation money for an impromptu shopping spree. You can even lock pots to prevent yourself from touching the money until a specific date or event, adding another layer of self-control. Fifth on our list is instant card freezing and unfreezing. Losing your card, or even just misplacing it, can be a traveler's worst nightmare. The panic, the desperate search, the fear of fraudulent activity. With Monzo, that panic is significantly reduced. If you can't find your card, you can instantly freeze it within the app with a single tap. This immediately prevents any transactions from going through. If you find your card moments later, perhaps it slipped into a different pocket, you can just as easily unfreeze it and continue using it as normal. No need to call a bank, go through security questions, or wait for a new card. This level of immediate control is incredibly reassuring when you're far from home. And if your card is truly lost or stolen, reporting it and ordering a new one is a seamless process through the app, with international card delivery available to over 100 countries on some paid plans. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.